Mikey, we got some pretty exciting news.
You bloody betcha! I have been walking up and down the street in the Emperor's New Groove, pompously rolling off the heel. Our new shirts have come in, and I am ecstatic with the look. Now, I've got a pretty exciting bit of news for one of our valued customers today. But first, let's just get a look at that beautiful print. The IronDrake logo just smacked on in the hashtag 5057. Follow me for the surprise that IronDrake has installed. Here we go, guys, we've got the bingo machine out and we're ready to do a t-shirt giveaway. We'd love to thank our valued customers, and we want to see one of you walk away with the grand prize, a new IronDrake t-shirt. Best of luck, everyone. Let's look at who's in the draw. We've got Lindsay Alexander, Katie Richards, James Cowlishaw, Morgan Hoey, James Penny, Jamin Weil, Grant Mason, Fergus Bowen, and Danny Sparks. Good luck, everyone. Let's get it going. The lucky winner is... That one came out second. We're counting the firstie. Number 13. Katie Richards, you are the lucky winner. Congratulations,
Yeehaw!
Katie. Woo-hoo!